So here are the lovely bag organizers for both of the beauties. De nada, de nada. Good morning, girls. Today I wanted to talk to you girls about two bags, two Longchamp bags, and I like when I have two similar bags in my bag collection and then I can kind of pack them the same. So if you like videos like these, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, hit like and subscribe. I had to say it again because I want to make sure you ladies stick with me and hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out anytime we talk about lovely handbags. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So I have these two lovely Longchamp tote bags right here, and they're very similar. They're very much the same bag, but just in different colors. And today I wanted to talk about them because the other day I wore this lovely bag to work. I love when I could use a tote bag for work, and I shared some of the items that I was carrying inside this bag, and I'm going to be switching out to this lovely Longchamp bag today. And I figured it would be fun if I showed, you know, similar items. I love when I have two similar bags in my handbag collection and I can kind of pack them the same. So let's go ahead and let's see what all can fit in these two beauties. My yellow Longchamp bag right here, I'm going to go ahead and use the blue Tiffany organizer that I showed you girls a while ago on my channel. And for my blue Longchamp bag, I'm going to go ahead and use this lovely red organizer because the Longchamp bag is trimmed in red. It has a red stud and it has other red throughout the bag in the handles and around the trim of the bag. So I figured I'd go ahead and use the red organizer for this Longchamp bag. So here are both lovely organizers, and this is the way I have the Tiffany blue organizer packed with all my belongings, and I have very similar belongings in the red organizer. So this is the way I have the red organizer packed with very similar belongings. So for both bags, either bag, whichever bag I decide to wear for work, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ray-Ban sunglasses. So I have Ray-Bans packed in both bags, both lovely bags. Need our sunglasses. Then I have the Longchamp accessories. So for the yellow Longchamp bag, I went ahead and used the green Longchamp accessories. And for the blue Longchamp bag, I have my Longchamp accessories in a blue purple type color. So I figured this would go ahead and match up pretty good with both bags. So here is the yellow bag with the green accessories that looks really, really nice. Both Longchamp handbag and the accessories. Here is the blue Longchamp bag with the bluish, with a hint of purplish color to it. Even though they're not the exact same color, I thought that was a good enough match. What do you girls think? I think it's a good enough match. I think it goes okay, so that looks really nice with that bag. Next for both bags, I have the Longchamp coin purse. Next for both bags, I have a Coach corner zip wristlet. This is what this looks like with both bags. And I have a ton more items in my bags, so I'm also bringing some perfume with me. I brought Hermes with the yellow Longchamp bag and some Tory Burch perfume with the blue purplish hint, you know, tone Longchamp bag. For the yellow Longchamp bag that's in a mustardy type color, I decided to go ahead and bring this cute, adorable Vera Bradley makeup pouch. And it's so cute. It says "Squeeze the Day" and it has lemons on it. So pretty together. That yellow really, really looks beautiful. And then the Tiffany blue, the blue in this Vera Bradley makeup pouch really looks cute with the turquoise blue in the Tiffany bag organizer. Next, for the blue Longchamp bag, I went ahead and brought this Vera Bradley makeup pouch, and it has a cute little turtle on it, and everything was outlined in blue and red and a little bit of an orangey tone. So this is what that makeup bag looks like with it. This looks so cute with all the accessories. This is going to be a really fun carry today with all these different accessories. That looks so pretty together, matching the yellows up and the turquoise. And the last accessory that I decided to go ahead and pair up with both of these bags is my Louis Vuitton clay in red and in yellow. I thought that would look really, really nice with both of these bags. So we're doing blue and red over here, and over here we're doing yellow with turquoise blue shades. I think that looks really, really pretty. So nice to match up Longchamp and Louis Vuitton.